The research goal with STEMEXPAND is to try to develop new methods to expand stem cells outside the body so that we can have more stem cells to treat patients and to make stem cells available to patients that today do not have an obvious donor to get stem cells from. It's important to make use of all the umbilical cord bloods that are available throughout Europe and see if we can use the stem cells from them and generate more stem cells to be able to transplant adult patients.
The main potential for this research is, of course, the ability to treat more patients, and in particular patients with hematological diseases such as leukemia, which is the cancer of the blood system. But there are also patients that suffer from genetic diseases of the hematopoietic system. And these patients are today, to some extent, treated with bone marrow transplantation. But if we had the ability to grow stem cells and expand stem cells, we may actually find possibilities also to manipulate these stem cells and treat some of these genetic diseases. So that is an additional aspect of this.
Potentially every child that gets born can generate donor cells for a patient that may need them. A patient that may have leukemia or, as my colleague Jonas mentioned, a genetic disease. The problem today is that the cord bloods, they do not contain many stem cells, and that is why it would be nice to be able to expand the stem cells from the cord bloods so that we can safely treat adult patients.
The biggest obstacle in terms of expanding stem cells outside the body is simply the fact that we have to take the cells from their natural environment inside the body, where they are surrounded by factors and cells that allow them to grow in an appropriate way. As soon as we take them out from their natural environment, we don't really know how to sort of replace this environment outside the body in the culture dish, so to speak. And this is what this project is all about, is to find the key factors that inside the body give the cells the right instructions to grow and expand appropriately.
This is a project funded by the European Union. One of the prerequisites for a European Union grant, which in this case is a grant for €3 million over a period of 3 years. It's a prerequisite that it's a collaboration between several countries, scientists in several European countries. And that is why we assembled a team of 7 individuals who work together to try to accomplish this goal. To treat blood disorders, you can say really that stem cell expansion is the holy grail of blood cell therapy. So it's not a new idea. It is just that it has been difficult to accomplish. And we think that our project can both use knowledge that's now available and also to try to identify new factors that may help us to expand stem cells.